guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can screenshot on your MacBook. So guys, if you're a new user and you don't know how to screenshot in your MacBook, then this video is for you. Let's get started with the video without any delays. So guys, just go ahead and select what you want to screenshot. And after you've done that, just click these three buttons. First of all, tap Shift, then tap Command, and now tap 3. Press them together and then you'll be able to screenshot on Mac. There you go guys, I've pressed them and you can see this image right here. If you tap there, it'll show you screenshot. So guys, that's how you screenshot on your MacBook. If you didn't get it the first time, I'll repeat it again. Press Shift, Command, and 3 all at once. And once again, you'll see the screen that says screenshot. You can probably find your screenshot on your desktop, guys. So just go ahead and check desktop and you'll find your screenshot there. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.